is Kimberly Michelle, and yeah. But anyways, today's video is going to be a house tour because I'm in my new house. It's not fully decorated and it's not fully like done. So I'm kind of gonna just show you like everything, and then when it's fully decorated and stuff like that, then I'll re-show you guys a different version. So this is like the unfurnished and kind of like non-decorated, non-furnished part, because I'm still waiting on my bed, I'm still waiting on my TV stand and all that stuff. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And right here, this is like the water heater area. And then on this side, this is like the washer and dryer. And we have wood for it, it's really dirty. And then right here is the kitchen. I fell in love with it because it's granite countertops and stuff like that. So here's just like an overview. Alright. And here's the living room. Obviously you hear the TV, which I should mute, honestly. How do you mute it? Alright, so this is the living room. And I'm gonna decorate the couch throws. There's our balcony and our deck. And then there's the TV, and then there's my roommate's room. And then when you come in here, this is my room. And like I said, it's not fully furnished yet. And I still have stuff like this is, I'm not keeping this bed. Of course, this is not gonna be here. Pictures need to be up on the wall, and all that. So this is my room, the overview of it. And then if we come in here, this is my bathroom. Hello guys. It's awkward. I have all my stuff on the counter right now because I haven't gotten tubs to put anything in, but you can tell like I'm a hoarder. You can tell like I'm a hoarder and I like smelling good and like all that. And then if you saw my other first house tour, you know that this closet doesn't compare to the closet that I had before. So this is just like a small little closet. And yes, the closet is inside the bathroom, which I kind of like. Roll tie. All right. And that's it, guys. That is it for the house tour. I know it was really short because it's actually not a whole house, it's just an apartment. If you have any questions, or if you have like ideas on how I should decorate the living room and my room, leave a comment down in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when Kimberly Michelle uploads a new video. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.